Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make 3D origami pieces. This will be a simple step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You're going to start off with a regular sheet of printer paper just like this. And what you want to do is you want to fold it. Now I have it in landscape mode. As you can see, it's wider than it is tall. I'm going to fold it from right to left. Now try and line it up as nicely as possible, because the more that it's lined up, the better that it's lined up, the smoother and the better looking that your end result will be. So I folded it, increased it. Now I'm going to take it and rotate it. You can see it looks like it's in landscape mode again. I'm now going to take the right side, fold it over to the left. Once again, lining everything up, crease it. But now we're going to actually unfold it. So we have this line in the middle. Now we're going to take the right side, fold it in towards the middle. So we're going to take the right side and fold it towards the middle. Crease it, then unfold it. Do the same thing with the left side. Fold it towards that middle line right there. Crease it and unfold it. And then the last fold will be when you take the top and bring it down to the bottom. Just like that. You want to fold it top to bottom, line it up. When it's nice and lined up, you want to crease it. And then you can actually unfold the entire sheet of paper. As you can see right here, I have all of these rectangles. Now what you want to do is you want to cut along all of the creases, and you'll end up with a whole bunch of rectangles. Now instead of wasting your time watching me cutting in this video, I actually have these rectangles right here. So I'm going to show you how to make a 3D origami piece out of a single rectangle, and you're going to repeat the process with all of the rectangles. As you can see right here, I have a single rectangle. You want to try and cut it as straight as possible, but it's not a humongous deal if it's just a little bit off. So I'm going to show you with this one right here. Take it, place it down on the table. We're holding it in, once again, landscape mode. As you can see, it's wider than it is tall. I'm going to take the top, fold it to the bottom, and we're going to crease it. So I'm just going to crease it. Try and line it up as nicely as possible, because it will make the final result look a lot better. So now we have this piece right here. And as you can see, if I open it, the flap is on the bottom. So I'm going to take this, we're going to fold it left to right, but we're not going to crease the entire thing. We're just going to pinch the top like that, pinch the top like that, and then open it up. Now what we have is the same piece with a crease at the top only. We're going to take the right side, fold it down at a 90-degree angle, just like that, and crease it. Do the same thing with the left side, fold it down at a 90-degree angle, and crease it, just like that. Now you have this piece right here, looks sort of like a triangle almost, but you're going to flip it around. And the next thing that you're going to do is on each of the bottom corners, the bottom right and the bottom left, you're going to fold it up to sort of make a little corner like that. So I'm going to fold it up just with my thumb to make sort of like a, let's do that again, let's fold it up to make a little corner like that. Looks like that right now. Now I'm going to fold the right side up, the flap, folding it up just like that. And then the left side, we're going to fold it up just like that. Now we're going to flip it around. As you can see right here, we have a triangle, and we have a triangle, and on this side we have these little flaps right here. We're going to take it and we're just going to fold it in. So all these little flaps here, you're not going to see them anymore. You're folding it in. Now this is actually your 3D origami piece, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. What you can do is you can actually just curve this corner right here. So you're going to look at the triangle like this corner right here. You can actually just use your finger to sort of curve it like that. Just really make it a little bit circular, and this is what your 3D origami piece will look like. Now the coolest thing about it is that you can repeat the process with many small rectangular sheets of paper, and you can get these 3D origami pieces. And the way that you put them into each other is very simple. Here's one. As you can see, I sort of curved that part right there. You take the side with the flaps, okay, like that, and you're going to put it inside of this part, the opposite part of it. So this side has these flaps over here. The opposite side of that, these flaps are going to connect with that. You just slide it in between those little slots right there, just like that. That's basically, and that's how you connect the 3D origami pieces together. It's a rather simple process, and I've gone over it with you in this video tutorial. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.